Hi there, I'm Jason Metcalf. I'm the business manager for LED products for North America. Sony's here at InfoComm 2026 showing off our virtual production solution. Behind me, you can see our crystal LED CAPRI LED wall. It's a 2.5 millimeter pitch, purpose-built for production, meant to be integrated with a camera, meant to be mobile, installed, deinstalled, moved around in a rental and staging frame. We are also showing our AM7 1-inch CMOS PTZ camera. This is in our BRC line. So we have Genlock, we can paint, broadcast focused or production focused PTZ. And we've also partnered with View Studios. They're showing off their View Studio platform for both content, stage operation, and control. And Aperture Lighting, they're showing off their Nova and Infinibar and Storm 80 fixtures. And we're supported by our partners Forte, of course, Original Syndicate, and Megapixel. Thank you very much.